Hey guys, Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year. I'll see you after Christmas with my next album. My friend gave me this Kit Kat. Yeah, it was this was in it. Wait, I need to close it first. Sorry. There were like 2 roses inside. And then there's, oh my gosh, it's huge. Oh my gosh. Wow. Let's see what flavors there are. I'm gonna get like a little space on the table and just pour it all out. Yeah, Kit Kat. Whoa. Oh, there's orange. Wow. There's cherry brownie. And then ruby. I'm not sure what flavor ruby is. There's matcha. Oh my gosh. Strawberry. Creme brulee. Oh my gosh. I try every flavor. Tiramisu. And what's that? Hazelnut. Strawberry cheesecake. Matcha. What's this? Bitter. Oh, whoa. That's amazing. That's amazing. What's this one? Gold. Yeah, I've tried gold before. Special one. It's the special Christmas one. This is blueberry. What else is there? This is a white chocolate. And I think that's it. Oh, there's milk. What's that one? Raspberry. Oh my god, so many flavors. That's crazy. Passion fruit. That's so cool. I can eat this for a whole year. Did you think I was gonna share this?